how to fix camera freezing or hanging on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve camera app crashes and freezing issues on your Android device. First, long press on the camera app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the Info or I button to open App Info. Following that, tap on Force Stop to completely close the camera app. Tap OK to confirm. Now, tap on Storage to access storage options. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary camera files. This often fixes freezing and hanging issues. Moving forward, tap on Permissions to check camera access. Make sure camera and storage permissions are set to allow. Afterwards, go back and close Settings. Try opening the camera app again to see if it's working. If the camera still freezes, press and hold the power button on the side of your device. Tap on Restart from the menu. Wait for your phone to reboot completely. After restarting, open the camera app and test it. Alternatively, if the issue persists, check for software updates. Open Settings and scroll down to Software Update. Tap on Download and Install to check for updates. If an update is available, install it as it may contain camera bug fixes. Additionally, try using the camera in safe mode to check if a third-party app is causing the issue. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap and hold on Power Off until Safe Mode option appears. Tap OK to restart in safe mode. Test the camera in safe mode. If it works fine, a recently installed app might be interfering. Uninstall recently added apps one by one to identify the culprit. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix camera freezing on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.